Hey guys, welcome back. A lot has gone on in the last, I don't know, couple hours or whatever. I've been on the phone with the dealership. I am going to be taking this here back to the dealership to be painted. It's only going to cost me a couple $100 or so. And then after that gets painted and a couple other things, I am going to be painting my truck and trailer. But that being said, I have bought 3 brand new tractors, so I do need that truck and trailer still. I have bought other tractors, a used planter. Not all of it needs that trailer for, but maybe one tractor, or one tractor and implement. So I'm going to load this, and we're going to go take it to the dealership, and then see what I have there that I've ordered. So let's get this loaded. I'll meet you once it's on there. Alright, we got it loaded. Let's get the tires strapped down. At least, attempt to. I think after I bring back that tractor and implements, I did get a tractor with a front end loader. It is an early 2000 model Mazzy. I got a couple other Mazzy tractors that will run a no-till planter. No-till planter will definitely have to get in the shop and get gone through. I'm not worrying about painting that until after planting season, but it definitely needs to be gone through. So let's jump into the truck. And start it, but I don't think it's strapping down. Well, guys, we're pretty much here at the store. I'm at that stop sign at the road, and I made some phone calls. One to my dad. He told me I'm doing great getting the farm started. He'll be out tomorrow about, I think he said 5 in the morning when his plane lands. So that would be good. At least I can pick him up from the airport, him and my mom. And the semi will be pulling out sometime later today. Should be out here later tomorrow with all the furniture, and then the next couple of days mine all would be out here. I mean, I do have some furniture in my house that I brought out a couple of weeks before I moved out here myself. He has told me to go ahead. This dealership has given me a price on fixing the trailer also and the truck. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's been, I should say, paint it, not fix it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and have them do that while it's here. But as we come around here, I am seeing that the equipment of mine is here. And some used, some new. I'm not worrying about the used ones being painted, but gone through. Just because it's what's the used ones are doesn't matter if they're looking like they do. But that also being said, I've been told by my dad to find a truck with the utility bed on it for the farm, and this one will be used for the gooseneck. So let me get out here and make sure everything rode like it should. Yes, so next time you would see this truck and trailer, it all will be painted just like it is. I may change the paint on the trailer to match Massey Ferguson color, but the truck will be that. Dad said he'll take that truck instead of bringing his. So let's see what we have equipment-wise that I've bought new and used. First of all, this baler is used. It's going to go in the shed when we get back. It doesn't need to be gone through really anytime soon because I want to get alfalfa and wheat and stuff in. So this is used, the rake's used, the mower is used. I think that's new. Well, I think that was used. All this stuff is, and that's definitely used. I'll have to go through that stuff before I start. This has already been redone when I bought it. This was already been gone through, ready to go. That is only 200 horsepower. This one might be a lot more horsepower, but that being said, this planter will go into the shop when we get back. I need to go through it, make sure it's ready to go to plant. Not too concerned what it looks like, but I definitely need to go through it. And this is the tractor that I've got to run the baler and all that. It's about 100 horsepower. It comes with, I have the loader and stuff with it. My tedder right here, another thing that I'm gonna have to go through. After hay season this winter, it will be painted. It definitely needs the paint, but we'll have to make sure it works. And this sprayer will have to go through. I haven't spent that much money, as I said, new and used. But it'll be winter projects on some of it. If I have time to maybe throw some paint on it after I use it the first time, then that's great. But other than that, it's not going to be looking pretty this year. So if you like the videos I'm throwing with this new farmer on Flint Hill, with new and used, and just starting off with barely any money, but doing it the cheap way and and seeing how this goes. I'm going to try to do this more realistic than I have. So if you like it, hit the subscription. If you like the video, hit the thumb up. Help me out. I've been bouncing a lot of my farm sim videos around. I don't seem to get a lot of people watching. I know I had a video about Thanksgiving and the cow and my cows, what I'm thankful for, and it showed my family and my cows, and that seemed to work really well. But I want to get these videos going. So, if you see something you like, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I'm going to try titles, difference, and stuff like that. So I hope your Thanksgiving weekend has gone really great. It's Saturday. There's still one more day, so tomorrow's probably going to be a busy travel day for a lot of people. And, just let me see. Let me know what you guys enjoy on my videos so far. I'm hoping to start reaching a crowd. But again, have a great weekend. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend if you've not ever already, and if you have not met all or gathered with all your family yet. Hope you get time to do that. We'll talk to you all later.